to charge your Volt. So first of all, we got to open up the charge port. So I'm going to press right on this thing right here. It's like a charge port thing. And there it goes. Then we got to grab our thing here. And then we got to walk over to the charge port. And then we're going to stick this baby in. This is what it looks like. That's what the charge port looks like. And this also has a, which is kind of cool, it has a light. You really can't see it, but so let's go ahead and put it in. It snaps in, bam. And if you look over here, this is going to pop on. And it gives you a little toot, and that means that now you're charging your car. And that's how easy it is to charge your car. This thing I get about, on 110, I get about 5 miles per hour that I leave it charged in, which is not bad. And I just leave it in there, and it charges. That's it. So easy. And it saves me so much money in gas. People don't realize that an electric car, it costs me about 35 cents to charge it for 45 miles, as opposed to paying $3.50 for gas to get the same distance. So this is the way to go, and it's a really nice car. This is a 2012. Very inexpensive. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos on the Volt.